respect.
Assalamualaikum. Today me, najihah and Dalia Hani will presenting about how science and technology able to deal with flash flood problems in Malaysia. Flash floods are defined as floods that develop in a very short period of time, usually under 6 hours, and caused by heavy rainfall that falls over a short period of time. Frequent flash floods have become the most common destructive phenomenon in Malaysia urban areas, especially in many major cities including Kuala Lumpur. Causes of flash floods. First, very high intensity short duration rainfall, rapid and high density of urban development, under capacity of drainage system, back flows of water from downstream swelling river flows, severe erosion and sediment wash off from construction site, clogging of drainage system by sediment, rubbish, and debris. The signs of flash floods. Two key factors that lead to flash flooding are the intensity of the rainfall and its duration. For this reason, most flash flooding is caused by slow-moving thunderstorms that move repeatedly over the same area, or heavy rains from hurricane and tropical storms. 5 flood prevention products. First, water gate, rapid response flood control system. Second, WIPP, water inflated property protector. The idea is to fight water with water, and WIPP does just that. The system can be inflated with any nearby water source and acting as a heavy barrier against oncoming.
The third product is a quick dam, which is a flood barrier socks. This product is doing a good job of keep homeowners' property dry in the wake of rising flood. The product is a flood block, which is a modular flood prevention solution. Flood block is another Lego-like invention that can be interlocked, stacked, and positioned to protect homes and commercial spaces from flooding. Aquabags, which is a heritage flood guard system. Aquabag is a global leader in fighting flood waters and offers a variety of flood devices to help both homeowners and cities deal with rising water. In Malaysia, there's a smart tunnel function as to overcome this flood. From the study of science, we can prove that there are a few consequences of flash floods. One of them is the loss of human life, damage to property, destruction of crops, loss of livestock, deterioration of health condition. So, with all this information, we can spread this information to all the community so they will be aware with this flash flood. So, with the existing of technologies such as mobile phones and televisions and radio, we can spread on tips to avoid flood, so that people will be aware and can save their lives. So one of them is introduce a better flood warning device so it can give people more time to prepare and take action during flash floods. It can also save more lives by releasing on an early warning. The second one is construct a building that is 1 meter or more from the ground to prevent flood damage. Restore rivers and clean drainage to prevent flood. The mere fact that the rivers will restore to its original state and drainage are clean, the flow of water can be controlled and damage may be prevented. Add flood barriers so it can control flood. It can also contain water and damage to properties can be prevented. And the last one is apply the technological innovation and advancement where a flood can be determined before it actually happens and prevention may take place immediately. Science and technology help us to understand the mechanism of natural hazards of atmospherical, geological, hydrological, and biological origins and to analyze the transformation of these hazards into disaster. In what ways do science and technology improve the prediction of flash flood? Forecasting the time and location of flash floods require high-resolution modeling of weather and water, assimilation of large data sets from high-resolution observation, and an integrated, coherent approach that allows meteorologists and hydrologists to make rapid assessment and warning decisions. That's all from us. Thank you.